Hi, I'm in my backyard today with a couple gardening books. Uh, Usborne Pop-Up Garden is such a cute book. So the pop-ups are just great. Everything looks quiet in the garden, but look very closely. There's a lot going on. How many bees can you see? So there's an interaction to this book too. It asks other questions, so you're searching. And here's one of the garden. So fun. And then the fish, see how they go together like that? And the birds, they're flapping their wings. So cute. This page here, we opened it up a little too hard. I was able to get a little glue and just put it there, and now it's holding up great. So if you're worried about these pop-ups, they are so worth it. Kids have so much fun with it. Some people think, oh, my kid will just tear it. Well, it's just beautiful. So I hope some of you give that a try. We also have a dinosaur pop-up book that I just love. And here is Gardening for Beginners. It's spiral bound, so you can just keep it open. There are lots of ideas, some container gardening,